In this video, we show you how to create, edit or share projects. All created projects are listed under the Project tab. You can filter existing projects with the buttons Active Projects, Shared Projects and Archive. Here you can also create a new project. To the right, you can search for existing projects using the project number or the project name. If you scroll down, we will find already created projects. In the overview, you can see when the project was created and how many articles are included in this project. The project name, example Project 5, includes 4 articles and was created on 18th of November 2024. Using the edit function, you have the option to duplicate, archive, delete or share the project. Sharing a project with another person enables a person to edit the project. You can later check the changes of the other person. By clicking on the plus button, your project is ready for saving in a PDF file. At the bottom of the screen, a field appears with a Saving button to create this PDF file. If you want to share a project with other persons, go to Edit of the respective project and then click on Share Project. A window will open in which you can enter the email address of the receiver. The invited user then receives an invitation email. You can see with whom you have shared under the project details. You find the email address, the username, invitation date and status. In this case, pending status is displayed. This means that the customer has not yet accepted the invitation.